Today I got my Ipsy Glam bag for February. It was delayed due to the snow and everything, so it came this morning. So I'm gonna open it and show you what I got. So I haven't opened it. I just received it not too long ago, about 30 minutes ago. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Okay. Ooh, I wanted this one because they had two variation, one stripes in this. I love the lips on it. You see the lips, and on the back it says sending with a kiss, or no, sealed with a kiss. I was trying to read it backwards, but I have two things out of the bag. One is refreshing hydrating setting spray. This was an add-on. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. And actually, I didn't put no setting spray, so I'm gonna go and make the bag real quick and put some spray. But I'm gonna try this out next time. And then I got a palette, a 4 palette. Oh no. I ain't gonna show y'all because my palette broke up in pieces. Can't use it. And I paid for that one. It didn't come in the bag. I paid for it. So I'm gonna have to tell them. But let's dig into what I did that came in my bag. First thing I have is Pixie eyeliner. And it's in the shade, let's see, Deep Plum. Got these nails on. I don't even think no, I can't get into them. But I got that. It's a Deep Plum. I'm gonna try that out. Oh, and here's the card in there. Sending love. Great for Valentine's Day, which is already passed. And then I got YC Collection loose powder, setting powder. I got one in my Glam bag plus two, but it was like a lighter shade. My light. I'm sorry, y'all. My light turned off. But that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. I'm gonna try that. I didn't put setting powder on because I knew I was gonna get some, so no use. And then I got Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. That's the packaging. That's the packaging. And let me make sure this ain't broke. Oh no. I ain't gonna blind you. Got a little mirror. Do a little swatch here. Look at those colors. I'm gonna have to swatch the other one. I don't think the other one's swatched. Oh, it's a brown. It kind of blends into my skin. That's pretty. I like the gold. And then I have Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. You know what? I'm so into eye creams right now. I think my lighting is... Let me turn down my light. I don't think you can see it. There you go. Pretty packaging. I'm gonna try that tonight. And then the last thing I got, sis, is Urban Therapy Twist Sister 30-second curl spray with coconut, avocado, and almond. So you spray that on. I'm natural, but I just did my hair yesterday, so I'm gonna try that next time. I'm in my natural state. Well, what I think about this month, I like it. I'm mad that the palette that I did pay for came broken up. Other than that, I like it. So thank you for watching my little quick video. Stay tuned, and you know what, click that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends, and help a sister out. I help you, you help me, and it's free. So thank you for watching, and till next time, you beautiful ladies.